Hey, welcome to part two of the demonstration. What we're going to do now is walk through a sample that actually uses the bridge and shows you how it can be used up and running. Okay, so let's go ahead and drag it on here. Now you can see we've got the ability to add and delete different mappings. So let's go ahead and add a mapping here. Let's see here. Sample. That'll be the topic that we're going to be listening to. The property that we want to listen for, we'll just make it up for now. And then the topic that we want to publish on should be something similar. And we'll just do that for now. And let me close this for more real estate. And then the property broker property that we're going to publish and register with the property broker will just be, my property. And what we can do is we can use this little area down here to test it. What this publish does is it actually takes the value you enter in the text field and then publishes this particular property on the published topic. So when we come in here and type in my value and hit publish, you can see that the component, since it's registered as a listener of this topic, received the event, and then we go ahead and fill the label in to the right. Trust me, there's no magic. That's legit. So let's go ahead and save this configuration. This is now in the configuration, and we've now generated the property broker actions and properties for our bridge component. So let's go ahead and wire that component up to the embedded browser. So now you'll notice the event admin bridge has the property broker output property of my property, and we're going to go ahead and set the text of the browser for the value. So once again, we can use our test button to produce this. And what that means is if I type in my value here, you can see now the browser actually received it, but this publish pushed it onto the event admin bus. Our bridge caught the event, looked and saw that it was a specific property we're interested in, and then published that to the property broker, and then the property broker delivered it to the web browser component. Now, just like you can publish from the bridge to other components, we can publish from components to the bridge. So what I want to do is I'm going to take the PIM container, and I'm going to wire one of its output properties. We'll just do the subject to the event admin bridge, and you can see now the event admin bridge has an action that was dynamically registered called set my property. I'll create the wire, and now what you'll notice is the event is now sent up to event admin. Our bridge catches it, republishes it to the property broker, and gets sent over to the browser. And it's pretty quick. Event admin is very, very fast. So you're not going to see much delay and whatnot in there. So one of the things I don't have it set as is invisible. So what I want to do is I want to actually set the visibility to false. And now when I go ahead and save my application, you remember now I wired from the notes view to the bridge, which is wired to the browser. Let me resize my screen here. And now you can see here, as I select, the bridge has now disappeared, and the only two components showing are the notes component in the browser, but the bridge is actually interacting, and we can verify that by looking at the events in the property broker monitor. Oops. So when I do a change, you can see here that the action on the set my property, which is the bridge component, is actually called, and then the bridge component calls the property change, and then it's sent over to the browser. So that's the whole flow of events, and we can repeat this. Let me clear it out. There you go. So that's the demonstration. I hope you found this interesting. Look forward to your comments. Thank you.